What's up YouTube? Dougie Chong here. Welcome to today's episode where I'll be reviewing Walmart stock. Walmart is one of the most popular retailers in America and was founded in 1962 by Sam Walton. As of April 30th, 2020, Walmart has over 11,000 different stores located in over 27 countries. Walmart is the world's largest company by revenue with a staggering $514 billion in revenue. I would have thought a company like Amazon would have the most revenue, but I guess it's Walmart, as Amazon only came in with a revenue of $280 billion. Walmart is also the largest private employer in the world with about 2.2 million employees. Despite having so many employees, I do remember reading an article a while back about Walmart employees being dissatisfied with the amount of compensation they were being paid. However, the biggest piece of news regarding Walmart stock is that they are releasing a new subscription service that is similar to Amazon Prime. They are calling this Walmart Plus and are pricing it tentatively at $98 per month. Recurring revenue streams are always a good thing, so this is a step in the right direction for the company. The service will reportedly offer unlimited same-day delivery and 2-hour grocery deliveries. While I do not have an Amazon Prime membership, nor do I plan on getting a Walmart Plus membership, I do see the appeal of both of these products. Nobody likes to wait for deliveries. I'll leave a link in the description below showing the top 15 companies in the world by market cap from 1993 to 2019. It's very fascinating to watch how the companies change over time. I believe Walmart starts near the top, somewhere around the number 3 spot, and it goes up and down but generally stays within the top 10. And then you see it drop off completely from the top 15 within the last 8 years or so. I believe that this is when they did not really take e-commerce or the threat of Amazon very seriously, and so their stock started to go down a bit. And then in the last 2 or 3 years, it has started to tick up a little bit more as they started to embrace the technology with things such as self-checkout, delivery, and other options. It is important that the company has embraced this change to use technology, because if you also watch the video, you can see the top companies by market cap are all technology companies now. The top ones are like Amazon, Apple, Facebook, and Microsoft. And it's not like they are only slightly above their competitors. They are all pretty much double the closest non-technology company, with the exception of Facebook. Furthermore, it does not look like this trend is changing anytime soon, and Amazon's rise was particularly impressive considering how fast it was able to climb the ranks of the top companies by market cap. For those of you that do not know, I am very bullish on Amazon stock. And from a tech perspective, those top technology companies are largely unmatched when it comes to attracting top tech talent. So even though Walmart has acknowledged that they have to start using technology more, they will never quite be at the same level as Amazon or Google. That being said, Amazon stock has priced in a lot of growth and taken into account their overall superior business model. Walmart, on the other hand, I do not think has priced in as much. Now let's take a look at some of the numbers. Currently, the stock trades at $130.68. Its 52-week high is $133, and its 52-week low sits at about $102. Overall, the 6-month graph, it looks pretty flat. Even though we are going through a whole global situation here, it hasn't had many fluctuations. This can largely be seen because Walmart is an essential store. They sell groceries and hence were able to remain open. Zooming out to the 1-year chart, it also looks pretty flat without too much variation. However, when you zoom out to the 5-year price chart, you see that it almost doubles, showing the long-term growth of this stock. This isn't one of those fast-growing startup companies. This is a behemoth of a company that is making the proper steps to become more relevant using modern technology. Its market capitalization is $370 billion, which is good enough for 10th place in the United States right now. An interesting thing to note about market caps in companies is that the 15th largest market cap company right now is the electric car company Tesla. But Tesla stock is not even included in the S&P 500 index yet. For those of you that do not know what the S&P 500 index is, it's supposed to have the top 500 companies by market capitalization in the United States. Tesla is not included yet because it has just recently breached that threshold due to a meteoric rise in its stock price. It also has not hit a few key profitability levels that it needs to be included. But this just means that a lot of fund managers will have to buy Tesla stock when it does eventually get included and will push the price even higher. Alright, back onto the topic of Walmart stock. Its PE ratio sits around 24, which is much more reasonable compared to other big growth stocks that have PE ratios up to 100 or even more. The dividend yield sits at 1.65%, which isn't great, but it's a good source for a steady dividend. Not only is it consistent, but it does steadily grow over time as shown by this table. Alright, now onto the balance sheet. Walmart has about $236 billion in assets. That's quite a lot of assets. And with only $154 billion in liabilities, this is truly a stellar balance sheet. You can also see that the assets are slowly growing over time. So is Walmart stock a buy in my opinion? Again, this is just my opinion. I am not a legal financial advisor. This is not legal financial advice. But in my opinion, I do want to say yes, but because it just recently went up about 2% in the last trading day, I'm gonna say not quite yet. If it does come back down around that $125 level, I will look to start a small position. I think its grocery business is very vital to its customers in the US. I think it is using technology in a way to make it more relevant in today's society. And then I think the stock has not been going up quite as much as its peers such as Amazon. But that's just my opinion on Walmart stock. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Leave it in the comments below. Also, if you have any other stock you want me to review, also leave that in the comments. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you learned a lot about Walmart stock. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and see you in the next video.